If you just got your PINGEQUA 5Ghost WiFi Lab, good news. You don't need to flash the board. It comes preloaded from the factory, so you're ready to go right out of the box with the board. The only thing you need is the Flipper Zero running on either Momentum or Unleashed firmware. That's what PINGEQUA lists as supported, so that's what I'm using in this video. I also recommend using a microSD card adapter because it's the fastest way to transfer the files. You can also do it over a USB cable if you want, but it'll take a little longer. Inside the box, you'll find a QR code that takes you to the PINGEQUA Lab 5Ghost WiFi GitHub page. Once you're there, on the right-hand side, click the green code button, and then click Download Zip. After the zip finishes downloading, extract it. You'll end up with a folder called 5Ghost WiFi Lab main. Now open up your Flipper Zero's SD card and go into Apps, and then go into GPIO, and simply drag that 5Ghost WiFi Lab main folder into the GPIO folder. Once that's finished, safely eject your SD card, put it back into your Flipper Zero, and make sure your 5 Ghost Lab board is plugged into the GPIO pins. Then power it on. On your Flipper, go into Apps, then go into GPIO, and you'll see the 5Ghost WiFi Lab in the list. Open it up and you're ready to go. From there, you can scan Wi-Fi, view the scan map, capture handshakes and beacons, create an AP, and check out the About 5Ghost section. That's literally all there is to it. Since the board comes preloaded, getting everything set up only takes a couple of minutes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'm just kidding. You don't have to do any of that. Just thank you for watching, you guys. See you on the next one.